Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by getting both devices ready. Make sure your laptop and the cast receiver are on the same Wi-Fi and that the receiver's casting mode is enabled. Next, open the app you'll cast from or the system cast control. For Chrome, use the menu cast. For Windows, use Action Center Project Connect to a wireless display. Once done, you'll see available devices listed. Pick the receiver name to initiate the connection and start the handshake process. You now choose what to send. Select a browser tab, an application window, or the entire desktop. This affects privacy and performance, so pick the smallest scope needed. Then check any options for resolution, frame rate, and audio routing. Choose the receiver as the audio output if you want sound. Make sure to accept permission prompts on the receiver and laptop. If a PIN appears, enter it. After selecting and confirming, the stream negotiates quality and begins displaying on the cast screen. You finish by verifying smooth video and audio. If everything looks good, keep using the cast or stop it from the same menu you started with. If you experience stutter or lag, reduce resolution, close heavy apps, or move the devices closer to the router to improve bandwidth. If connection fails entirely, restart the laptop and cast receiver, rejoin the same Wi-Fi network, and try again. This simple reboot often resets network conflicts and completes a clean cast session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.